Hi there. For those of you who are new to my channel, I'm Tomas Michaud from Real Guitar Success. Today, I'm starting something new. I've accepted the challenge to create 30 guitar coaching videos. Here's how it's going to work. I'm going to create one video each day. In the videos, I'm going to answer all the questions that both people have been asking me and the ones that you submit that would help you to play guitar better. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. Since I'm going to have to make a lot of videos, they're probably not going to be high quality. Well, obviously, I can't put a lot of fancy graphics or make some elaborate shots, but part of the challenge is for me to make valuable content for you. I intend on giving you 30 days of the kind of coaching I wish I had when I first started learning guitar. So I have an invitation for you. I would like to invite you to join me for the next 30 days. Come watch my videos, and if you like what I'm doing and you want to encourage me, give me a thumbs up. Now, if you want to take it up a notch, play your guitar and practice for 5 or 10 minutes. Then at the end of the 30 days, not only will you have 30 days of guitar coaching, but you'll have a guitar practice habit. I have a system that works really well for me. I make this chart that has 30 boxes with a number in each chart, 1 through 30. I put this on the wall, and every day that I do the commitment, in this case, make a video for me, I put an X on the number. Very quickly, I find it's kind of fun to put an X and see that I've accomplished something. Then a little bit later, you feel the pressure to not miss a day because you want to put your X. That might be just that little extra kick that you need to complete the 30 days. If you'd like to give it a try, and I encourage you to give it a shot, I'll put a link in the description so you can download that chart for yourself. Now, in the interest of full disclosure, one of the main reasons I'm doing this is I find that even though I've been doing videos for years, I'm still nervous and I find myself procrastinating to get in front of a camera. And so I've been challenged to do this to help just get rid of the fear. And at the same time, I can make valuable content really by digging down deep and by answering your questions that I think will benefit you greatly. It's a win-win for everyone. Now, to make it a little more interesting, I've decided to add a little challenge for myself. Tomorrow, I'm going to shave off my beard. And then for the next 30 days, I'm not going to shave. Okay. This is a big one for me. After 3 or 4 days, I feel uncomfortable and I have to either trim it or cut the beard down, but I'm going to do it. 30 days. Let's see what happens. I've never done that I can remember anyway. I don't know if my wife is going to want to kiss me, but in any case, it's 30 days. I can live with it. So that's it for now. I hope you can join me. Let me know in the comments. And if you can think of any questions you'd like me to answer, please let me know that too. Bye for now.